Guys, in this video, show you how to share tasks on Google Calendar. Now, for this, what you need to do is actually search up Taskboard, okay, on your browser. Then open up Taskboard. It's going to ask you to connect to your Google account. Just go ahead and do that. Now, what happens is the Google Calendar account, okay, and Taskboard are actually linked. So if I make a task in Google Calendar, for example, let me go ahead and just click anywhere here, click on task, and name is as task to share. Okay, and just go ahead and save this. So this task has been created. Now, if I go to Taskboard, you'll see that the task will go ahead and update. So let me go ahead and refresh that. Or we can click on this icon to refresh. So there you go. This is the task to share. It actually refreshed while I was refreshing this as well. Then what you do is click on these three dots and you can share your list. Okay, there you go. Click on share list. And now you just need to click on copy link and share this with anyone you want. Really that easy and simple.